Experiencing Spectrum mobile data that won't auto-connect? This section addresses the common causes and solutions. The primary culprits are usually misconfigured APN settings, roaming restrictions, or aggressive battery optimization. First, let's define these key concepts. APN, or Access Point Name, is the gateway connecting your device to Spectrum's network. Roaming allows data access outside your home network. Battery settings, like Android's battery optimization or iOS's low power mode, can limit background data usage. Start by verifying your APN settings under Settings Network APN. Ensure it's set to Internet or mobile, depending on your plan. Next, toggle roaming on and off to ensure seamless transitions between networks, especially in areas with weak signals. Finally, disable battery optimizations for the Spectrum app to prevent disconnections during low battery situations. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, more advanced solutions may be needed. Ensure your device's software is up to date, as firmware updates often include connectivity improvements. Consider using the Spectrum mobile app's diagnostic tool, version 5.2 or later, which, according to Spectrum's Q2 2024 report, reduces manual troubleshooting by 40% by auto-correcting APN settings. As for future trends, AI-assisted fixes are on the rise. Statista data indicates that data auto-connection issues are increasing, driven by fragmented 5G rollouts, but AI is stepping up to tackle these problems. By 2027, eSIM and cloud-based APN management could eliminate manual setups, according to GSMA predictions. Spectrum is also investing in self-healing networks, using machine learning to predict and resolve connectivity drops. Keep an eye on cross-device syncing, which could further reduce roaming-related issues. The future of mobile data connectivity is leaning towards intelligent, automated solutions, requiring less manual user intervention.